Hi, so this is 12.4, the last section that we cover in 091. So that's wonderful. You made it this far. What we're going to talk about is what a logarithm is, just to kind of give you a little bit more information if you go on to another class. A logarithm is just basically the inverse of an exponential function. That's all it is. And the way you label it is the way you say, you should say log base A of x. That's how you say it. The base A cannot be 1, and then the value of x has to be positive. So basically a logarithm is basically the inverse of a exponential function. So to rewrite it as an exponential function, it would look like this. And again, you'll talk more about that in your next class if you take college algebra. So what we're going to do today is we're going to talk how to convert from here to here, from exponential to logarithmic form, and then vice versa. Okay, so what I did was, just to make it easier for me to explain so I have more room, is I wrote this down here, and most of the problems are written, you know, with this on the left, this on the right. And then I wrote this one down here. Again, I switched it. And I'm going to show you how to go from exponential to logarithmic form. Okay, I think the easiest way to do this, if you've never seen this before, is just to label everything. So if I take a look at this, A is 2. I'm just going to put that right here. A is 2. Actually, I put on this side, I think. That's the base. The exponent is y is 5. And it's equal to x. X is 32. And then what I want to do is I want to put in this form. So it's log base A was 2, that's my base, of x, which is 32, is equal to the y, which is 5. Okay, so that's our first example. And we're going to go through a couple more examples beyond this. Okay, let's go to this next one here. So, again, I'm just going to kind of label everything from here to here. So my base A is 100. The exponent y is 1/2. And it's equal to x. X is 10. And I want to convert to logarithm. So if I look up here, it's log base A. So log base 100 of x. X is 10. And that's equal to y, which is 1/2. Okay, so that's the first couple examples. Then we're going to go ahead and convert from... Actually, I'll do these two in another video. That might be better. So